You better be no baller. You better be no baller. Like him. Like him, but I put the ball out. I don't give a fuck. You shit go. Pull up to the city, got a 40 on him. Nigga talking shit, he just get it, homie. My niggas packing, it ain't nothing, we ain't never lacking. Keep it two, pump a nigga, and we over the roof. We EBK, throw them E's up for us. If a nigga talking shit, the pistol he got won't bust. Nigga, I keep it real up in the field. Got a couple stacks, nigga be dramatic when I'm beating it. I got money and I hit it and I beat the cake. My niggas talking shit, they always in my face. Talking about why you whack, dude. Why you gotta do all this shit when your ass got an automatic too? Nigga, fuck all that shit. He was talking shit and I let it rip right through his fucking shit. Nigga, I'm gangster. Never been a prankster. Talking all that shit, these niggas is talking wanksters. In the field, nah, niggas keep it real. Keep a double barrel shotgun. These niggas ain't real. If a nigga run up on me and this nigga keep the talking and my pistols get the popping, get the knocking niggas down, nigga. You ain't about the life. I keep a 30. Like I said, I do your ugly ass dirty when it comes to it. I'm in the field throwing L's up for lame niggas. I'm in the field throwing planes up for plain niggas. I'm in the field, you can't stop me, you can't stop my shine. I smoke weed by the pound, you can't stop my grind. I got cash, lay a fuck boy down, and my niggas in the hood, and we keep 40s around. We don't play, we don't say shit. We walk up on your property to pump your ass down, bitch. If a nigga diss, he can diss. Fuck with my niggas, you all gon' miss.